Tama na, ading ko. Tapusin mo na ang paghihirap mo at ng bayan.
Wow, I just really don't know where to start. Listening to Senator Amy Marcos' speech, I couldn't help but feel so many emotions. First of all, the honesty. The way she talks about her family struggles, about her brother, about Bongbong Marcos, our president. It's raw, it's real, she's not sugarcoating anything. And as an ate, I really felt her pain because I myself is an ate too. I mean, anyone who has siblings, anyone who has tried to guide someone they love, you know that feeling of helplessness, hope, and heartbreak all at once. She talks about responsibility and how she tried to help her brother. And even at the cost of her own peace, her own heart, she stood up for him even when it was easier to step back. She trusted him to change even when others doubted. And that takes courage and that takes love. And I can't help but feel the weight of family, legacy, the expectations, the politics is overwhelming. But amidst all that, her message is clear. She doesn't want to condemn. She doesn't want to destroy. She just wants her brother and her country to heal. When she said, "Bonget, umuwi na tayo, magpahinga ka, magpagamot ka, ayusin mo ang sarili mo," I felt my heart heightened. Because this is not just politics. This is love, care, and fear for someone you hold dear. Her speech reminds us that behind every public figure, behind every headline, there are real people, real struggles, real pain. And sometimes being a sibling, a parent, a family member is even harder than being in the spotlight. So, my reaction is a mix of sadness, hope, and deep respect. Respect for her courage to speak the truth, to show her heart, and to plead for her brother. And hope that change can happen, that healing is possible, not just for her family, but maybe for all of us watching. Thank you, Senator Amy Marcos, for reminding us that even amid struggle, family, love, and accountability matter. This is heavy but beautiful, and I think this is a message we all need to hear. This is Mami Mayang. Follow and share.